Across India, millions of homes and businesses are installing their own energy equipment. But today, many of these assets are effectively invisible to the system. They may be installed, but they're not consistently registered. Their data formats differ, their performance is hard to track, and planners, utilities, and markets don't have a unified view of what actually exists on the ground. For instance, a utility might know there's solar capacity in a neighbourhood, but not how much, who owns it, or whether it's working today. India Energy Stack creates a standard way to register, identify, and track all of these distributed energy resources. Every asset gets digitally registered with consistent details: who owns it, where it is, what type it is, and what it can contribute to the grid. Performance data is then captured in standardized formats, making every asset's output and availability visible across the system. This transforms distributed energy resources from isolated installations into discoverable, manageable grid assets at scale. So what does this mean for everyone involved? For utilities, better planning, more accurate forecasting, and smarter grid operations. For regulators and policymakers, a real-time, auditable picture of distributed energy capacity across the country. For markets and aggregators, the ability to pool these resources and unlock new revenue streams, from grid balancing to demand response programs. In essence, this turns millions of small, disconnected assets into a coordinated, intelligent energy network. One nation, one frequency, now one digital grid. India Energy Stack, an initiative by the Ministry of Power. Built in India for the world.